Hey, what's going on, guys? Sarah here. So I know it's been so long since I've been uploading. So today I'm gonna be showing you some of you freaking little crits out there that likes to steal clothes and how to do it properly. So you need to go to catalog as usual, where all the magic happens. So we go to clothing and then click shirts. So as you can see, we have a lot of choices here. Like this guy right here. So I click this. I'm showing this for example, okay? Oh, poor Zoe. LOL. Okay, so what you want to do, you do this, and then you take the number and then minus it by 1. Come on, guys, you need Roblox. Nice name. Nice group for name. Oh, hey, we got another different shirt. So you want to save this image as. So as you can see, it's a PNG file. Okay, this is the most crucial part of the stealing stuff. You want it to make sure it said PNG. You don't want it to be like JPEG or something. And you just click here. By the way, I made these. Don't criticize because I didn't steal them. And then what? Okay, what's the name of this thing again? 1 second. Oh crap! God damn it! Oh, it's floral bomber. By the way, ninja guy, I'm sorry, but these freaking little shits love to steal. And then what you want to do is go to your most trusted freaking photo editor, and then click open. By the way, my PC got reformat, so that's why it looks brand new, and I hate it because I lost all my stuff, mostly hentais. So you got this, okay? You got this, and then you get layer. Get your own templates. Oh god. Oh wait, that shirt doesn't fit. Okay, let me see. Oh wait, image, resize. Hey. Okay, 1 second. Let me configure this. Import from file. What you want to do is get your template, and then wait, what size is this? Image resize. So it's 585 by 559. You want to make sure that you got that right. So stereo Z all the way. I know there's some easy way, but I chose this way. So it's 585 by 559, and then you click OK, and you got this. And you get your import from file, get your templates. I'm gonna use this. Open. Wait, no, that doesn't work. Import from file. This one. Okay, so you see, like, there's this transparent part. So you might want to stretch this shirt a bit. Okay, I think that works. And what you want to do is file. You click save as, okay? Don't click save as. Because if you click save, it will go to PDN for my format. Yeah, whatever. And then just name it like stolen mwahahaha, and then save. and congratulations, you got yourself a stolen t-shirt. Sometimes these doesn't work all the time, like, okay, 1 second, let me show you an example. Okay, so let's get this, opening a new tab. Oh crap. Bitch, opening a new tab. Wait, fuck you. Damn it. You're so mean. There you go. So we got this, right? And then if we try minus it by 1, 3. There's a chance you get like other people places or solid model. So you may need to be careful, because but if you're trying to steal a shirt, don't take it from Google Images, please. It's fucking cancerous. Like, you can see some of the white part on the sleeves, like where the hand's supposed to be transparent. Like, you can see white part, which is I don't know what is wrong with you people trying to steal. But if you're trying to steal, do it properly, man. Oh crap. Okay, let me open Roblox again. So that's how you guys become a fucking shirt stealer. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and also I need to recreate my intro, which is gonna take a long time. Might be done before this video though. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification on for you not to miss my not daily uploads. What is wrong with you, Sarah? You're a dumbass. Yeah, see ya.